Everyone around you is watching you almost become someone. They've seen the almost workouts, the almost businesses, the almost versions of the life you keep describing at dinner. And deep down, you already know the truth. You've been performing change instead of making it. But here's what nobody has told you yet. The reason you keep failing in front of people isn't weakness. It's exposure. You were never built to transform in public. You were built to disappear first. Be honest with yourself for a moment. How many times have you announced a new version of yourself, only to quietly go back to the old one a few weeks later? The gym membership everyone knew about. The business idea you told the whole group chat. The new me. Post that got 40 likes and 0 follow through. You're not broken for this. You're human. But you've been playing a game you were never designed to win. Here's the pain most people never say out loud. Every time you announce a change, you trade the private discomfort of becoming for the public comfort of being seen trying. The applause replaces the actual work. The good for you. I'm proud of you. Comments become a finish line instead of a starting gun. And slowly, without realizing it, you start chasing the reaction instead of the result. This shows up in more places than you think. It's the version of you that trains for the compliment, not the competition. It's the version of you that posts the morning routine, but skips it the moment no one's watching. It's the version of you that talks about the dream business at parties, but hasn't opened the laptop in 6 days. You're not lazy. You're leaking your energy through an open door. The door mark audience. And every day you keep that door open, you pay a price. Your future self is watching your decisions right now. Every morning you don't get up, every workout you skip, every conversation you avoid having with yourself. There's a version of this most people skip. The moment right after you disappear, and nothing happens yet, no results, no proof, no applause, just you alone with the work. This is where almost everyone quits. Not because the plan failed, because the silence felt like failure. But silence isn't failure. Silence is where the work is compounding, where no one can see it yet. Think of every person you've ever admired for their transformation. There was a stretch of time where even they doubted it was working, where the mirror looked the same, where the bank account looked the same, where nobody said, "I'm proud of you," because nobody knew, and they kept going anyway. That's the difference between people who talk about becoming and people who actually become. Not talent, not luck, just the willingness to keep building in a room with no witnesses. So if you're in that stretch right now, the quiet middle, where nothing feels like it's changing, this is your sign. You're not behind. You're exactly where every real transformation has to pass through. Stay disappeared a little longer. The proof is coming. It's just not loud yet. Every dream you keep announcing instead of building, it all adds up. And one day you'll realize you performed an entire life instead of living one. But here's where it gets interesting. Here's what nobody ever explains. The people who actually transform. The ones who go from unrecognizable, in a bad way, to unrecognizable, in the best way. All did one specific thing before anyone noticed the difference. They disappeared. Not physically, not permanently. They disappeared from the performance. They went quiet on the announcements. They stopped narrating the becoming and started doing the becoming. Think about it. You never see the 6 months before the transformation photo. You never see the 400 rejected drafts before the published book. You never see the failed first version of the business before the overnight success headline. That entire period is invisible on purpose, because growth that's still forming cannot survive constant observation. This is the part most people never realize. Attention changes behavior. The moment you're seen trying, you start managing the image of trying instead of doing the actual work. Psychologists have a name for it: the audience effect. But you don't need the science to know it's true. You felt it. The workout you cut short because no one was there to see the extra rep. The study session you cut short because there was no one to prove your discipline to. The version of you that only shows up when it's being watched isn't discipline. It's a costume. So what does disappearing actually look like? It's not vanishing off the face of the earth. It's not silence for the sake of silence. It's a deliberate withdrawal from the performance so that all your energy goes into the actual work of becoming. Here's how you build that. First, go silent on the goal, not the effort. Stop telling people what you're going to do. Start simply doing it. Let the results speak when they're ready, not the announcement before you've earned it. Second, remove the audience from your daily process. Train without posting it. Write without sharing every page. Build without narrating every step. Let your discipline exist in a room with no windows. This is where it becomes real, because it has to survive without applause to keep it alive. Third, replace external validation with internal tracking. Keep a private record, a notebook, a note on your phone, a simple checklist only you see. When the only person keeping score is you can't fake the numbers. You either did the work or you didn't. There's no comment section to lie to. Fourth, set a reemergence point, not an escape hatch. Disappearing without a return date turns into hiding. Give yourself a defined window, 30 days, 90 days, 6 months, where the goal is simple: don't perform. At the end of that window, you don't come back and announce what you're going to do. You come back already different, and people will notice without you saying a word. Fifth, protect the silence like it's sacred. Someone will ask what you've been up to. Someone will notice you've gone quiet on the old habits. You don't owe them a progress report. "I'm working on some things" is a complete sentence. Your transformation doesn't need a co-signer. This is where it gets real. Because right now, some part of you is scared of this. Not scared of the work, scared of the silence. Scared that if you stop announcing, you'll stop being accountable. Scared that if no one's watching, you'll quit. But ask yourself something honest. If you only do the work when people are watching, was it ever really discipline? Or was it just a performance you were terrified to stop? Real discipline doesn't need witnesses. Real transformation doesn't need permission. The version of you that you've been promising yourself doesn't arrive because people believed in the announcement. They arrive because you stopped needing them to. Picture this. 90 days from now, you've done it. You've disappeared from the noise, the updates, the performance. And you've reappeared as someone your old circle almost doesn't recognize. Not because your face changed, because your presence did. You speak less and mean more. You promise less and deliver more. People ask what happened, and for the first time, you don't need to explain it. It's obvious. That is the reward on the other side of the silence. Now picture the other path. Picture yourself 1 year from today, still narrating, still announcing, still explaining the plan to anyone who will listen, because explaining feels like progress even when nothing has moved. Still trading the discomfort of real work for the comfort of being seen trying. The pain of discipline weighs ounces. The pain of that kind of regret weighs tons. And you already know which version you're closer to becoming right now. So here's the truth this entire video has been building toward. You don't need more motivation. You don't need a bigger announcement. You don't need anyone to believe in you before you start. You need to disappear. Go quiet on the plan. Go loud on the work. Let your evidence be the only thing that speaks. The person you promised yourself, the disciplined one, the built one, the unshakable one, is not waiting for an audience. They're waiting for you to stop performing long enough to actually become them. So close this video and go dark on the noise. Not forever, just long enough to build something real. Disappear. Do the work no one claps for. And when you come back, you won't need to say a single word. They'll already see it. If this hits something in you, you know exactly what to do next. Don't comment, motivation, and move on. Don't like it and forget it in 10 minutes. Subscribe to Motiverse right now, because this channel exists for one reason: to keep pulling you back to the truth every single day until becoming who you promised yourself stops being a dream and starts being who you are. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and show up here tomorrow, because the version of you that's waiting on the other side of this silence is closer than you think.